In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Dewalt 8-tool combo. We're going to look at what comes in it, what is the value of those tools, and also compare that to what if you bought them individually, and also look at the box itself. Let's get this thing unwrapped. Now I got this unwrapped, let's open it up and see what's inside. So I'm sad that this is really just a box and that there's no organization for the tools that you're going to be putting in it. There's also some accessories. This is probably the saw blade for the circular saw. I see a handle in here for the grinder and some other parts. Let's take a minute and talk about the value here. This was at Home Depot for $500. On the box it said over $1,000 in value. And if you were to buy each of these tools individually without a battery, all the tools but exclude the battery and the chargers, it's about $900 at Home Depot. Now if you were to go to Amazon and buy these tools without the batteries and the charger, it's about $650. So even getting these on Amazon individually, you'd be saving at least $150 plus the batteries and chargers. So you're probably still saving $200, $250 than if you had bought these each individually. So if you're looking to get most of these tools, it's definitely a good deal. It does come with the box. I wish it had some more organization. So let's look at the box next. Okay, so taking a look at this box, on the front here we have two latches to undo the main compartment. They're nice and stiff. That opens up this. Top here there's also these top yellow latches. I believe this is for their ToughSystem so that you can stack another box on top of this and lock it into place, stacking it on top. Because you also have this twists here to extend the handle on the back. So you'd actually have multiple boxes stacked on here, and when you're pulling it around, it'd be leaned back and locked in place. And then you just twist this again to drop the handle down. So it locks at the bottom, and it locks at the top. Inside here, it's just an empty box, unfortunately. It does have a nice rubber liner around the edge to seal it airtight so moisture doesn't get in there. You do have wheels on both sides to roll it around. It also has handles on the side, on both sides. One thing I do like is they are spring loaded, so when you let go of them, they snap down. Overall, it feels like a pretty strong box. I just wish that it had organization inside. Here's the flashlight again, so it's click on, click off. You got a hook on here. It also does angle up and down. Here's that oscillating tool. It has a lock switch on it, which is nice. It also has a light that's probably timer based. Here's your drill, your forward and reverse, and you got a light on there. You got 2 speeds on top. Here's your impact driver. You got 3 LEDs on the front of this. Impact wrench, 3 LEDs again. Got your grinder with also a safety lock on there. So you put that lock on, can't pull the trigger, which is nice. Your reciprocating saw, which also has the lock on it, so it's locked, can't pull the trigger. And this one doesn't have a light on it. There's a nice lock on the side here for the blade. Then you got your circular saw, which is locked. You gotta push this down, and then as soon as you let go of that trigger, it's locked again. So lock here for the blade. for angle. We have the charger. We have two 2 amp hour batteries and a 4 amp hour battery. Overall, my opinion of this Dewalt 8-tool combo is that it's a good value. Based on the Amazon prices, you're easily saving $200, and that doesn't even include the 3 batteries you get, the charger, and the box. If you were to buy these at Home Depot, you're easily saving $500. So based on the Home Depot prices, that $1,000 value is pretty accurate. I do wish that the box though had some organization in it, at the very least some slots. But overall, it's a nice system. It's 20 volts, all of them using the same batteries. You get 3 batteries, a charger, plus the 8 tools and the box.